I don't want people... Okay. So guys, again, now that you've been given whiteboards, what's going to happen is my DJ, again, has prepared a set of 10 songs. Spelling wrong. For example, guys, listen. For example, is Humble by Kendrick Lamar. It's so many prizes tonight. You're going to have to work for it. At the end of the song, my DJ will play the song. At the end of the song, while doing so, it's -5 to the score. Okay? So, I told you guys earlier, I want all the details right. Okay, 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Stop writing whiteboards up. The correct stop writing whiteboards up. Come on. Alright, that's all you get. That's all you get. 10 more seconds.